Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today I'm going to show off a really cool interior upgrade for your 4th generation Tacoma. Let's get started. Okay, so we are in a base TRD off-road Tacoma 4th generation, and Toyota only lets you put leather in the TRD models by adding a premium package, which in most cases is between $8,500 and $9,000 because it's going to be accompanied with the big screen, the JBL, dual zone climate control, heated ventilated seats, so on and so forth. So it's a big package. So one thing, if you're looking at just having a base SR5 or base TRD off-road model that's going to be in the low 40s, then this is a good option for you because then you're going to be able to keep it in low 40s as opposed to going into the near 60s. Katzkin leather is real leather. It's actually, in my opinion, personal opinion, it's actually nicer than the factory leather, but it is custom fit for this vehicle. We'll take off the seat covers for the fabric, replace it with the nice leather. Typically we'll go with like just your color matched interior or black only, but in this case we wanted to do something a little special because it's Mudbath. So this is stitched, piped, and bolstered in a leather color that is very similar to Mudbath, and honestly it looks, to the eye, it looks like an exact match for the most part, but they don't call it Mudbath. But Katzkin is available for any vehicle, not just Tacomas, but specifically valuable in a Tacoma because you're not required to spend $8,500, $9,000 on an upgrade when really you're just going for leather seats. So for under $2,000, installed with seat heaters, front and back seats, this may be a good option for you. Let us know what you think in the comment section below.